So welcome back to my channel, and today's video is gonna be something new. So I just wanted to tell you about this product because lately I've been liking these products very much. So before going into the video, subscribe to my channel, hit a bell button, and follow me on my Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and Snapchat. I'll be leaving all the links below in the description box. Please go check it out and also comment below for more suggestions. Now let's get into the video. So today's video is gonna be about these products. Yes, these are my current favorite juice. I've been drinking them lately. Actually, these were introduced to me by my sister because she just got me one bottle and I really liked them, and I started drinking this product because, let me just tell you why. Because these are from Alofrut. This is how these bottles are, like they are really transparent. It has very blackish cap to it, and you can see your juice in it, and it is very handy and very, travel friendly. You can just carry them and they are not that heavy too. So yeah, these are from Alofrut. This is anar, and as they mentioned, Alofrut, they have the main juice with aloe vera juice, because like everyone knows that how much aloe vera is good for your health. So this has anar plus aloe vera juice, and it says healthy hai isme aloe vera hai. That means like if it's healthy, I guess it's because it has aloe vera in it. If I'm wrong, just correct me. And yeah, and this retails for 40 rupees for 300 ml, and the small one retails for 30 rupees for 200 ml. And backside they have mentioned all the ingredients, everything, expiry date and best before. See, everything is mentioned, and they do come with different flavors. Like if you like Mosambi, have Mosambi with aloe vera. If you like guava, you can have guava with aloe vera. If you like pomegranate, you can have pomegranate plus aloe vera. If you like lychee, have lychee with aloe vera. If you like kiwi, aloe vera plus kiwi. Like it's like, it's like very good because you're having a healthy drink which has aloe vera and also your favorite juice in it. And I don't actually prefer the preservative juices much because they have like too many sugars in it. But once in a while, if you want to have something, you can just go ahead, refrigerate it, have it chill, you'll enjoy it, trust me. And people who don't like aloe vera juice, let me just tell you that it doesn't taste like aloe vera. Like if you've been drinking aloe vera juice, you'll know the taste of aloe vera juice. You might get very little, but not too much. You can just drink it off, because when you're drinking, you'll only think you're drinking pomegranate juice but not aloe vera juice. But it does have aloe vera in it, because I've been drinking aloe vera since very long time, and I know how aloe vera juice tastes like. So I can literally feel that little bit of aloe vera juice in it. But these are like very good. These are my favorite, and they are like very good. Instead of drinking all the soda tins, cans, everything, you can just go ahead and buy it. And for me, these works out cheap too, because 30 rupees 200 ml is good. These are also like travel friendly. I can just put them in my bag and carry it around. So yeah, these are the products. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Love you all. Take care. Bye bye. See you guys in the next video.